Welcome to a new video of Masters Academy. Mathematics, SSLC NCERT, SSLC Annual Exam, June 2020, Part 4, 3-mark questions with solutions, prepared by N. Parmesh. 29th question. The following data gives the information of a daily income of 50 workers of a factory. Draw a less than type of ogive for the following data. Daily income, number of workers, less than 100, 0, less than 120, 8, less than 140, 20, less than 160, 34, less than 180, 44, less than 200, 50. Answer: 100, 0 ordered pair, 120, 8 ordered pair, 140, 20 ordered pair, 160, 34 ordered pair, 180, 44 ordered pair, 200, 50 ordered pair. Scale: x-axis 1 cm is equal to 10 units, y-axis is equal to 1 cm is equal to 5 units. X-axis daily income, y-axis number of workers. 100, 0, 100, 0, 120, 8, 120, 8, 140, 20, 160, 34, 180, 44, 200, 50. Free and draw the smooth curve that gives less than type of ogive. 30th question. A bag contains 3 red balls, 5 white balls and 8 blue balls. One ball is taken out of the bag at random. Find the probability that the ball taken out is subdivision A question a red ball, subdivision B question not a white ball. Answer: total possible outcomes, that is n of s, is equal to 3 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 16. Subdivision A, let capital letter R be the event of taking out a red ball. Then the number of favorable outcomes to the event R is 3. N of R is equal to 3. Probability of event R is equal to n of R divided by n of s is equal to 3 divided by 16. Subdivision B question, let capital letter A be the event of taking out not a white ball. Then the number of favorable outcomes to event A is other than white ball is 3 plus 8, that is 11. N of A is equal to 11. Probability of event A is equal to n of A by n of s is equal to 11 by 16. 31st question. Prove that the length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Answer: data. O is the center of the circle. P is an external point. PQ and PR are the tangents drawn from an external point P to the circle with center O. To prove PQ is equal to PR. Construction: join OP, OQ and OR. Proof: in triangle POQ and triangle POR, angle OQP is equal to angle ORP is equal to 90 degree. Reason: radius is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. OQ is equal to OR. Reason: radii of the same circle. OP is equal to OP, that is the common side. Therefore, triangle POQ is congruent to triangle POR. Reason: right angle hypotenuse side criteria. Therefore, PQ is equal to PR. Reason: CPCT. 32nd question. Construct a triangle ABC with side BC is equal to 3 cm, AB is equal to 6 cm and AC is equal to 4.5 cm. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 4 by 3 of the corresponding side of the triangle ABC? Answer. First, draw AB is equal to 6 centimeter. With the help of compass, measure 3 centimeter at point B, draw an arc. Once again, with the help of compass, measure 4.5 centimeter at point A, cut the arc. Then join AC, that is 4.5, join BC, that is 3 centimeter. In the question they have given 4 by 3, numerator is greater. Therefore, at point A, draw a ray of any acute angle, cut into 4 equal parts, that is A1, A2, A3, A4. Join A3 to point B. At point A3, draw an arc. Same measurement at point A4, draw the arc. Then measure these intersected part, cut from this point. Then join A4 to B dash when AB is extended, that meet at B dash. In the same manner, at point B, draw an arc. Same measurement at B dash, mark the arc. Now measure with the help of compass this arc, then you cut. Afterwards, extend AC length. Then join B dash and C dash. Therefore, the new constructed triangle is A, B dash, C dash. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle A, B dash, C dash. 33 question. ABCD is a rectangle of length 20 centimeter and breadth 10 centimeter. OAPB is a sector of a circle of radius 10 root 2 centimeter. Calculate the area of the shaded region. Take pi is equal to 3.14. Answer. In triangle OAB, AB is 20 centimeter, that is given in the question. OA is equal to OB is equal to 10 root 2 centimeter. AB square is equal to 20 square is 400 centimeter square. OA square plus OB square is equal to 10 root 2 whole square is equal to 100 into 2 plus 10 root 2 whole square is equal to 100 into 2, that is equal to 100 into 2 plus 100 into 2 is equal to 400 centimeter square. Therefore, AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. Therefore, triangle AOB is a right angle triangle and angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Area of the shaded region is equal to area of the rectangle minus area of the sector APB is equal to area of rectangle is nothing but length into breadth minus area of the sector APB is equal to area of the sector OAPB minus area of the triangle AOB is equal to length is 20 into breadth is 10 minus area of the sector theta divided by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle of into OA is base, OB is height. Now substituting the value is equal to 20 into 10 minus bracket theta is 90 degree divided by 360 into pi is 3.14 into radius is 10 root 2 into 10 root 2 minus 1 by 2. OA is 10 root 2 into OB is 10 root 2 is equal to 20 into 10 is 200 minus after simplifying this we are getting 157 minus after simplifying this 100 is equal to 200 minus 157 minus 100 is equal to 200 minus 57, that is equal to 143 centimeter square, that is the area of the shaded region. Over R, an hand fan is made up of cloth fixed in between the two metallic wire. It is in the shape of a sector of a circle of radius 21 centimeter and of an angle 120 degree as shown in the figure. Calculate the area of the cloth used and also find the total length of the metallic wire required to make such a fan. Answer. Inclination is 120 degree, theta is 120 degree, radius is 21 centimeter. Area of the cloth required is equal to area of the sector is equal to theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square is equal to theta is 120 divided by 360 into pi is 22 by 7, radius is 21 into 21. 22 as it is. After simplifying this, we are getting 21. 22 into 21 is equal to 462 centimeter square. Length of the metal wire required is equal to length of the arc of the sector plus 2 into radius is equal to theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r plus 2r is equal to theta is 120 degree divided by 360 degree into 2, pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 21 plus 2 as it is, radius is 21. After simplifying this, we are getting 44 plus 21 2s of 42, that is equal to 86 centimeter. Therefore, the area of the cloth is 462 centimeter square. Length of the metal wire is 86 centimeter. Dear friends, if you find this video useful, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.